La, what are you doing here? Why are you at Chesterbrook on my Circle Time rug?
I just couldn't wait to see my friends anymore. I was so sad and lonely. I came to school to go to Circle Time, but no one's here.
La, why don't we go outside? Maybe our friends are outside playing on the playground without us. Do you think they're outside?
That's true. I didn't even think of that. I bet they're going down the slide right now.
Oh, let's go check.
Oh my gosh. Guys, are you out here? Chesterbrook's friends, where are you? Oh, our slide. Miss Brooke, I can see everything from here.
My gosh.
Where is everybody? Oh, I miss our days playing on this playground.
Me too.
What can we do, Miss Brooke?
Why don't we go down the slide?
Okay, over the bridge I go. It's a great idea. Maybe they'll come out and want to play. Nobody came. What can we do, Miss Brooke? I miss them so much.
I miss them so much too. I think we need to try to figure out a way to spend time with them.
Great idea, Miss Brooke. Let's meet them on Zoom.
We want you to meet us tomorrow on Zoom and hang out with us for the day. Meet us for Circle Time.
See you there, friends.
Bye. See you then.